Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review of Hasbro's Transformers BOTBOTS Series 1 Blind Bots. So as you can see, it is made by Hasbro Transformers, and yes, they are, actual Transformers, not KO bootleg ones. They're real Transformers, and they're the BOTBOTS. So, how come they don't have an anime? You know, there's this for them, which is kind of bad that they don't. They have, like, on the Transformers.botbots.com website, they had kind of like a little commercial, and they were two TV commercials, if I remember correctly. It was like, one day a strange lightning hit the mall, and then zap everything in the mall, and it became alive. BotBots, BotBots, Transformers, BotBots, and so on and so forth, like that. Yeah, but there's a lot of missed opportunities that Hasbro has had to turn this into an anime. And I think if they did, it would be a pretty good anime. Okay, number one, they could partner up with Netflix, because Netflix is going to come out with the new Transformers series. I think they're going to do a little more CGI, kind of like Transformers Prime almost, like that type of Transformers is what I heard that they're trying to go with, instead of like the 2D cartoonish thing that we're used to. What is the Netflix Transformers going to be? I'm guessing, since they picked up from Rooster Teeth, not Rooster Teeth, Machinima? Yeah, they picked up from Machinima. Because Machinima, that was releasing on YouTube, they did an okay job. I mean, Combiner Wars, toys were not that great, but the anime was okay. Then the next series was Titan's Return, which was the Titan Masters, or aka in Japan, Headmasters, was head on, head on. Transformers, Transformers, head on, head on. If you know that, Japanese G1 season effing full on 4. None of this, hey, you know what? We're going to release season 4 in Transformers G1, but it's only going to be a 2-part episode. Dude, that is not a season 4. That should have been tacked on as an Esther to the US as, season 3 bid finale. But no, they consider it as grand opening of season 4. Transformers G1 ain't never finished with, like, I think the other 28 episodes or something. 26, 28 episodes. Or maybe it was 38 episodes. Yeah, but Japan, they knew what they were doing. They're like, hey, Transformers G1 Season 1, Season 2, Season 3, and guess what? Season 4, but we're going to call Season 4 Headmasters. Which actually was pretty cool. Now, and then going back to what I was saying, yeah, the Headmasters were kind of cool. The toys were actually pretty cool. I do like the Titan's Return / Headmaster toys. They were pretty boss mode. And the anime of Titan's Return was, yeah, it was one that I love. Transformers Power of the Primes was Power of the Garbage and junk. It was the worst Transformers that Machinima has ever done, and I think that's why Machinima got the F out of there and they quit. They're like, no, we're not going to do Transformers, Series 4. We go to 3. We effed up on 3, just like how Call of Duty's been doing now with the last couple Call of Duty games. Because I used to be a Call of Duty fan, but now I switched over to Battlefield because I used to hate Battlefield, but it got reversed. Because if you remember Call of Duty, what was it? Advanced Warfare wasn't that great, and that came out with Modern Warfare, which is so slow and late. They're like, oh, dude, we can fix it where it's like, freaking 1080 HD graphics. I don't care if it's 1080 HD graphics, 4K, 8K, 64K. I don't care. If it's one slow and laggy, like if it's got like 189 ping, it's freaking laggy. I don't care how crystal clear you can see the graphics. If you ain't moving it feels like you're stuck with cement and sand and mud. It's garbage. And then Call of Duty World War II, it was kind of garbage, but then it kind of made it okay, but it wasn't really the greatest thing. Uh, and the worst Call of Duty that they have ever made so far yet was Call of Duty Black Ops 4. Why was Black Ops 4 ever existed? I do not know. It is the worst Call of Duty game ever. Call of Duty Black Ops 1, I didn't really care for it, but it was alright, I guess. Call of Duty Black Ops 2, I was the beast mode king. Love Call of Duty Black Ops 2. My favorite Call of Duty of all time. Of course, every COD fan has their own COD that, they love, but COD 2, my personal favorite. COD 3, it was okay. I actually enjoyed COD 3. COD 4, no one can enjoy it. To play COD 4, you had to have wall hats, God mode, you had to have controllers, the jitterbug on there. Had that type of hacking mod. You had to go and let a private server type of thingy. Then you had to pay a person like $30 a month for a hat account, and then you had to go online to eBay and pay like $40 to $60 to get a leg switch just so you could play the game. So anyone that played legit like how I play, was none of that, just TV, console, controller, hard copy of this, and internet, pop it in there, get on there, try to play. No luck for me. But if you got all those hats and cheats and mods and all the illegal BS going on, then woo, you can actually play a freaking game or Call of Duty Black Ops 4. If not, and you're playing legit, you ain't playing Call of Duty Black Ops 4, buddy. Yeah. Now getting back to this, Call of Duty, not Call of Duty. Yeah, see, so into Call of Duty. Now the hate train, but anyway. Transformers Power Appliance, the worst one. The anime was garbage. The toy lineup was garbage. Why was the toys garbage? Most of the toys never existed in the anime of Power Appliance. So I don't know why they did that. The Primar was never mentioned in the anime. The Primar was just a little bit of retooled from leftover parts from Transformers Combiner Wars. Like literally, it was a hand that he just stuck another thumb on there. It's a right hand or a left hand. Depends on which thumb it is. Yeah. And then a little piece that you could put, like the little headmasters or the prime cores or whatever in there that you want to put in there that fits in there. Yeah. They, did not mention that in the anime. It was just about the big, giant Vacuum Blaster. Yeah, this big meta, like, superpower can be like a planet destroyer. Almost like a take out Unicron. I mean, it's like the big Mac Daddy meta cannon of the cannons. But guess what? The big old Vacuum Blaster never existed in the toy lineup. Not even at BotCon, which they changed for some reason to TFCon. Yeah, we didn't get that. I mean, years ago we got like a special edition Grimlock, special edition, Starscream. We got special edition Power Appliance, Optimus Prime, where he was on a freaking throne that you could sort all the little Prime cores in there. And he had the big giant hand, which was the Forza Solaris Prime. He had that, but what about the big old Vacuum Blaster? What the F is that? I guess you gotta have to go out and 3D print it. Unless someone from ThinkGiver or what's the other website that I'm trying to think of? I want to say Wish, but it's not Wish.com. I can't feel it. Shapeway. That's what it was. Shapeway. Maybe someone from there could come out with the big old Vacuum Blaster. If they do, I might buy it. Or I might 3D print it if I do get a 3D printer. And if anyone, comes out with the blueprint type of plans to download to the PDF file. But, yeah. Yeah. That's the BS that we have to do with. Now, again, if this was, made into anime, again, Netflix could partner up with them. They could partner up with Cartoon Network. They could partner up with Discovery Family Channel. They could partner up with, well, no, they can't partner up with. Yeah, I guess they could. With YouTube. They could have it on their own Transformer BOTBOTS website and, run it as a little mini web series. Which I guess would be okay. I mean, come on. Freaking Treasure X came out with a YouTube channel that they want kind of like a YouTube version of the web series on their channel. Come on. Treasure X beat you to this. Hasbro, come on, way up. What size would these be if they were anime? Probably like a mini-con size, although some would vary. I mean, like, ours, a cupcake would be smaller than a backpack, so a backpack would be bigger than a cupcake. How would they speak? Hopefully they won't speak in beeps and bops and boops like R2-D2. Hopefully they'll speak like, actual Transformers, unlike Transformers Armada, where the mini-cons was beeping and bopping and booping. Like, beep, beep. Like that, like R2-D2. No, that would just be a garbage anime. Now they could do this all nice and cutesy. They could do like this artwork style like how you've seen from the commercial, which would be nice. They could do like Transformers B-Team. They could do Transformers Cyberverse, which I hope they don't. Transformers the anime, which I didn't care for. They could do it as Transformers Rescue Bots, which wasn't that bad. Transformers Rescue Bots Academy, don't care for that one. But yeah, they have a lot of great opportunities and partnerships to put us out there as an anime, but Hasbro will be stupid and they ain't doing this. Oh yeah, getting back to Power of the Primes, yeah, the instructions are horrible. Black and white instructions, not the best instructions. Another thing is, also on the instructions, I had the Dark Evil Hot Rod / Weapons Prime. So the instructions